In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do pinhole cast on. This pinhole cast on, I think is quite neat and tight. You don't see any holes in the middle and you don't need to sew in the ends. So let's get started. For making this, you will need a crochet hook and 4 double-pointed needles and some yarn. The size of the crochet hook should be the same size as your double-pointed needles. First, grab your yarn and make a circle. Use your thumb to hold the circle on your left hand and use your crochet hook. Insert your hook in the circle. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop and yarn over and through. This is the first loop, okay? And use your crochet hook, insert into the same circle, grab the yarn and yarn over and go through only one loop, not 2 loops. Okay, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Keep repeating the same. Grab the yarn and go through only 1 loop. Be careful with that. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Just keep repeating this until you get 9 loops in the circle. Then we will do the next step. Ooh. Okay. Until now you have 9 loops on your hook. So take off your crochet hook, leave it on the side, and grab your DPN needles. Use the first one to take 3. This is first one, and the second one, another 3. Okay, and the third one, this is the last 3. Okay, try to hold it, not to move too much, and then form a circle. This is the last needle you are gonna need with. So find the tail, tighten it up. Yeah, you will close the circle. Have a look. So this is the circle you got. This is called pinhole cast on.